How to open Chat GPT from lock screen. iOS 18 brought a lot of interesting options. Stay until the end of the video and find out how you can open Chat GPT from the lock screen. Okay, first of all, we need to open the editing mode. Pull down the notification center and hold on an empty space. When the Customize button appears, tap on it. In the next step, select Lock Screen. When the page where we can edit on the lock screen has appeared, find the place where you want to put the widget. I will choose it to be just below the clock. In the list of applications that appear, find Chat GPT and tap on it. Here you will see all the options. The first is to start the conversation by writing a message. Another option is that it offers you to immediately start communicating with voice messages. Choose the one you want and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.